Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: sterilized kit and an experienced artist. You'll want the area clean and shaved, but not irritated. Once done, the artist applies the stencil and works in controlled passes to deposit ink. This matters for saturation and longevity. Make sure to follow immediate wrap instructions. Leave bandage timing exact. If you feel excessive pain or numbness, tell the artist right away. You're creating a foundation now. Good initial technique reduces future blowouts and fading. You must act fast and gentle. After the recommended 2 to 6 hours, remove the wrap and wash with lukewarm water and mild, fragrance-free soap. Once clean, pat dry with a clean towel. Do not rub. Apply a thin layer of ointment and keep the tattoo lightly moisturized. Too much product suffocates skin. Once healed enough, switch to a gentle lotion. Make sure to wear loose clothing and avoid pools or baths for at least 2 weeks. These steps preserve ink depth and edge definition. You protect the finished work by treating it like permanent pigment. Once healed, apply SPF 30+ whenever exposed and reapply often. Hydrate skin daily. Healthy dermis holds color better. Once fully healed, around 4 to 6 weeks, you can gently exfoliate to even texture, not sooner. If you notice uneven pigment or scab loss pulling ink, don't panic. Minor touch-ups are normal. Make sure to book a corrective session within 3 to 6 months. If redness, swelling, or pus persists, seek.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.